Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vanessa Faradila Yudianti, NIM 21102010076. Hello my friend, I will read a speech about education during the pandemic. Description of the learning process due to the pandemic outbreak can cause a decline in the quality of human resources in the future, both its cognitive, affective, and cognitive aspect. For this reason, efforts are needed from various parties, especially the government, so that the learning process can run effectively even in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. The process of teaching and learning activities must continue and students do not lose their right to learn. School as educational institution must respond quickly to the phenomenon of the COVID-19 outbreak by constantly trying so that the learning process can be carried out effectively. The school as a whole is a medium of interaction between student and teacher to improve their intelligence, skill, and affection. The government in this case issue a joint decision with the Minister of Education and Culture, the Minister of Religion, the Minister of Health, and the Minister of Home Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia, which has established an education policy in the midst of a pandemic by issuing circular letter number 3 KB regarding guidelines for implementing learning during the coronavirus disease or COVID-19 pandemic in order to fulfill the right of students to obtain educational service during the emergency of the spread of the coronavirus. Education is carried out through limited face-to-face learning program while still establishing health protocol, and that also applies to areas at levels 3 and 2 or distance learning program or PJJ. For areas that are at level 4, the government is currently facilitating online learning by providing technological media that can support online learning. For example, the Zoom, Google Meet, YouTube, and other applications that support current learning. Online learning makes educator have innovation and creativity in carrying out the learning. Pros and cons regarding this online learning system. There are some parents who do not agree with the existence of learning. through social media because it is considered ineffective, and 3. There are also parents who agree with the online learning system because it is to avoid direct contact with other people during this pandemic. There are 3 negative impacts on students. 1. Threat of dropping out of school. 2. Obstacles to growth and development. Gap in learning achievement. 3. Social pressure and domestic violence stress children. Thank you.